Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana inside Google Gemini and why it's a powerful free tool that can help small businesses create amazing product images, poster and ads without needing expensive software. Okay, let's jump right in. First, you will need to open Google Gemini. You can use it directly on the web or download the mobile app. And if you don't have the app yet, just head over to Google Play Store and then search for Gemini and then hit install. And once installed, just open it up and log in with your Google account. And now on this home screen, you will also see Nano Banana options right inside on here on create image. And if not, you can also tap on tools icon, this one, and then just select create images. And just in case you still don't see the feature, even after updating your app, don't worry, I have dropped a link in the description with a quick tutorial on how to fix that issue. Next, once Nano Banana is active, you can just start using it right away. And the best part, it's completely free. And you can see here, my account is not pro versions, this one, but I can still use Nano Banana with no problem. So what can you actually do with it? You can generate new images from text prompt or just edit any product photos that you already have. For example, let's say I have a simple picture of a banana. To upload the photo, just tap on plus button and then gallery and then choose your photo like this. And then next just type a prompt to edit your photo. For example, I will make a advertisement poster for this banana. So I will type my prompt like this. For example like this, and then just hit generate this one. And okay, like this, the app transformed my plain product photo into a professional looking poster like this. Really cool, right? And if you wanna generate more specific poster or your product, you can just describe clearly on your prompt about your poster. And that's just beginning. Nano Banana can also remove unwanted objects from your image or even add new objects, and then it can also change the camera angle, apply different art or design styles, and so much more. This makes it perfect for small business owners who want to level up their product marketing without hiring a designer. So there you go, that's how you can use Nano Banana for your small business. It's easy, free, and honestly super fun to explore. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!